Welcome to everyone. This is our PSEI Weekly Performance Review Week 14 of 2026. Let's get started. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index remained under pressure and traded with a downward bias, briefly dipping below the 5,900 level early in the week before attempting to stabilize. The index continues to struggle to regain momentum, reflecting a market still in a corrective phase after recent sell-offs. The Philippine stock market remained weak during the March 30 to April 3 trading week as the PSEI slipped below the 6,000 level and briefly traded near 5,900. Pressured by ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, elevated oil prices, and continued peso weakness that dampened investor sentiment. Persistent foreign selling and risk-off positioning kept the market under pressure, although bargain hunting began to emerge at lower levels, helping the index stabilize slightly. Overall, the market remains in a corrective phase, with investors closely monitoring global developments and currency movement for clearer direction. The key factors affecting the market. Number 1. Geopolitical tension and oil price concerns. Escalating conflict in the Middle East continued to weigh on global markets, driving risk-off sentiment and concerns over rising oil prices. Next is the persistent peso weakness. The Philippine peso remained weak, raising inflation concerns and contributing to capital outflows, which pressured equities. Next is foreign selling and risk aversion. Foreign investors maintained a cautious stance, leading to continued selling pressure across large cap stocks. And lastly, technical breakdown and weak momentum. The break below key levels around 6,000 triggered further selling, although bargain hunting emerged near 5,800 to 5,900, preventing deeper declines. Across major index components, technical signals reflect a defensive and corrective structure with early stabilization attempts. Ayala Corporation is consolidating near support with emerging accumulation signs, while Ayala Land, Mega World Corporation, and SM Prime Holdings remain in base building phases but are still sensitive to macro headwinds. Banking names such as BDO Unibank and Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company continue to show relative resilience with higher lows forming despite volatility, supported by long-term credit growth expectations. Converge ICT Solutions maintains a technically intact uptrend but is consolidating after prior gains, while GT Capital Holdings, JG Summit Holdings, and Jollibee Foods Corporation remain in a sideways consolidation, indicating continued accumulation as investors wait for stronger catalysts. Because of the current geopolitical crisis the world is facing right now, it has made everyone realize that we relied too much on the black gold, and somehow probably reminded us, just like the pandemic, that we are lagging in terms of the timeline on shifting to renewable energy. The question is this the time to realize the true value of the companies that has started 5 years ago and continue to silently shift to renewable energy? We must start looking or even dig deeper on these companies while it has yet to realize its full potential. As we wrap up, the market have likely went back to consolidating pace. This phase isn't a signal to rush, but a reminder to continue positioning strategically. Once again, the issues affecting the market are temporary, so we have to keep in mind to ignore the noise, stick to our plan, and stay focused in identifying opportunities and capitalize on it. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao.